This is the new Vertagear 800 series gaming chair. Not only this chair looks and feels premium, but it is also very comfortable. I got the PL4800 model with black and blue leather and it looks very nice. The assembly process is very easy. It took me around 15 minutes to put everything together and all the necessary tools are included. There are 4 models available on the 800 series. The SL3800 and the SL5800 chairs cater for users up to 6 foot height and weight up to 250 pounds. The PL4800 and the PL6800 cater for people up to 6 foot 8 and 400 pounds. Additionally, the SL4800 and the PL5800 also include Vertagear's patented RGB LED kit. Vertagear's lumbar support, the Contour Max, is one of the best available in the market. Alleviates tension throughout the body by dynamically contouring itself to the back's shape and movement, keeping users in a healthy posture no matter how long they sit. This is excellent to prevent pain and health concerns before they become an issue. There is also the Vertagear seat. The new seat boasts features that improve support, comfort, and relieve chronic back pain. With a waterfall white seat design, it distributes pressure evenly across the thighs, knees, and lower body to prevent blockage of blood circulation throughout the legs. Additionally, the new seat is embedded with 8 hexagonal air pillars, designed with air intake tunnels and 4-way air emission tunnels to prevent pressure relief for the sitting bones and support a healthy back. Alright guys, so I got this chair together. I'm going to sit for the first time. Let's see my reaction. Let's see how it feels. Oh wow. Oh my god. The lumbar support is the first reaction. The first thing I felt, the lumbar support, it's very pronounced, but it's comfortable, which is nice because I was having lower back pain, and this just feels that it's going to help me a lot with the lumbar support. The chair feels comfortable. It feels very cushioning, which is nice. And I also like that it has a cloth and leather combination. So it's cloth in the center, which is nice because when it's summer, leather tends to get very hot. So this is going to keep my bottom fresh, which is something that I'm looking forward to. And there's also leather on each side, like a premium feeling, which is something that I really like. Oh wow, this is nice. Also, it's not touching my lower part of my legs. There's enough space right here, so I guess I choose the right size for me. I'm 5'9", yes, and this is a perfect size for me. I like that. Let me see what this does right here. Also, it locks the rocking, and then this unlocks it. I can rock all the way to the back. Okay, cool. So the pillow, the neck support, this little pillow, I noticed that it stays a little bit high, so I really wish that it will be a little bit lower. Yeah, maybe like this, but if I move my head, it'll go back up again. This is something that I like about the Anda seat. It has magnets, so you can remove that little pillow or neck support and adjust it to your preference. And Anda seat neck pillow was really comfortable. This is nice too. This is nice, but I feel like it should be a little bit lower than how it is. But other than that, it's really nice. All right, so here we have the armrest, which I don't know why they keep doing this. This is not bad. This is a real tough plastic. It's a little bit soft, but I wish they would have used something better. But either way, this is how we have it. And there, let me show you all the functions. So it goes up and down, and then you press this button right here, and then you can turn it like that, and then it goes back and forward, back and forward. Yep. And then with these other buttons, you can go in and out. So you have all these options, and that's it. So if you're looking for an office chair that looks good and it's comfortable, this is one of the best I have tested. It is a bit expensive. It sells for $500, but it's totally worth it. They have different colors available, and also an LED kit where you can add your logo. Maybe I should do that. Check out the link in the description of the video if you're interested in buying one. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm Joester, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joester out.